calms. Give calm. Push the ass.
Bodycam video shows Florida deputies, backed by a K9 team, hunting down a suspect accused of running over a pregnant woman with a car on Valentine's Day. The Forsyth County Sheriff's Office later posted the clip on Facebook with a pointed warning to anyone who mistreats their partner.
3170 radio. I'm gonna have a vehicle wrecked out in the embankment. Unknown if there's any passengers still in the vehicle. Vehicle's clear. 9 out of Georgia, Tango Alpha, uniform 4658. Where's she at? Hey, where's the guy at? 10-4, he's running on foot. Which way did the guy go? What is he wearing? Awesome. All I got at this time, everything on the subject is going to be a male with a gray hoodie. That's going to be towards the field. Say, me see your hands! Hands! Get on the ground!
The footage opens on a wrecked vehicle pushed off the roadway. The responding officer checks the scene, confirms the car was abandoned, and begins canvassing a nearby neighborhood for leads.
Let me see your hands! Hands! Get on the ground! I got contact. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I'm not gonna tell you again! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Lay out flat! Like an airplane! Like an airplane! Hands out! Put your hands behind your back! Don't move! He's still taking off! Back towards the runway. .3170 radio. Last visual. He's heading towards Little Mill.
Neighbors point the way. Moving uphill, the officer spots a man hiding in thick brush and orders him out.
Yeah. Went down in the woods. Get a flash. Y'all check the road for me. Head down, tail up, no sway. Try to keep that formation.
During the attempted arrest, a brief lapse in control gives the suspect an opening. He bolts and disappears into the dark.
Come up this way. Flash does not care about anything this way. Let me come back down here. Find him. Come on, Bubba, let's go find him. That was a lot more promising. That's promising. This is promising right here. I like it. Oh, boy. Hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get calm! Get calm! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
That's it.
Let me see your hands!
Come out to me.
Come out towards us now! Now! I got the dog! I've got the dog! Come out towards us! Come out towards us! Bubbles! Good boys! Come here! Come here! Good boy, Flash! Come here, Bubbies! Come here, Bubbles! Come here, Bubbles!
Backup arrives with a K9 unit. The dog locks onto the scent trail, and deputies close in. After a short foot chase, the suspect, 26-year-old Damian Berryman, is captured and taken into custody. Berryman now faces multiple charges, including aggravated assault and reckless driving. Bodycam and aerial footage capture a wild Saturday in Los Angeles on February 17, 2024. Wilshire Division officers were patrolling near San Vicente Boulevard and Fairfax Ave when their automatic license plate reader pinged a stolen car driven by 21-year-old Ian Jimenez rolling right past them.
7-17 showing southbound on Curson. Oh, TC involved.
Officers verify the plate and call for backup. Before they close in, Jimenez floors it, kicking off a high-speed chase through city streets.
Hey, don't fucking move. Clear. Where'd he go? Get the fuck back here!
The getaway ends fast. Jimenez crashes into another vehicle, injuring the driver, then bails on foot into the neighborhood.
Get what's out.
Air support locks on. From the helicopter angle, you can track Jimenez's path across backyards.
Hold that way.
2 or 15, let me know when your position so I can start.
What?
A perimeter goes up and Metropolitan Division K9 units join the hunt. The first K9 makes contact as Jimenez tries slipping out the rear of a house on Massillon Ave. He grapples with the dog and briefly breaks free.
He's over!
Hey, hang tight, hang tight, hang tight. I'm with you, Dan. I'm with you. Hold on. Don't run! Do not run! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground!
Turn around!
It's okay, put him down, just put him down. I'm gonna cover you with a handcuff. On the ground!
Get on the ground!
On the ground. Okay, he's going to holster. He's going to holster and you're going to handcuff. On the ground. On the ground. You ready? Bro, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. On the ground. There you go. All the way down.
Get on the ground.
All the way down.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
No luck the second time. With the helicopter guiding units in, another K9 team intercepts him. Jimenez is taken into custody about a block away, treated for bites to his left forearm and right ankle, cleared for booking, and later readmitted for the forearm injury 2 days on. No officers were hurt. The driver struck in the crash reported pain, collateral damage from a chase that started with a stolen car and ended in a K9 takedown. Seattle police released both uncut and edited footage of a K9 capture in response to media requests and ongoing calls for transparency and accountability.
K912, my partner's got him. We're right here by the library.
Sir, please. Please.
Lay on your stomach.
I'm sorry.
Don't fuck with my dog. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Bleib. Bleib.
The video shows a July 20th, 2018 arrest in South Seattle. Officer Ryan Hutson approaches a 16-year-old robbery suspect with hands raised. Despite the apparent compliance, Hutson commands the K9 to take him. The dog forces the suspect to the ground and continues biting and shaking his arm for about 30 seconds while the officer waits for backup.
Bleib. Bleib, bleib. Bleib. Is that good, boy? That's the only one. Good boy! You got that bad guy! Good boy! Good boy! Yeah, that's my boy! Yeah, good boy! Good boy! Yeah, good boy, Dada! You got that guy! Good boy!
395. 395.
Good boy!
Fire for K9 back.
Boy!
Pardon?
He's a good boy! That's a good boy! He's a good boy!
And Sam 12, we have a positive ID on the run. We have one in custody, one at red.
Yeah, good boy! Good boy!
Positive ID on the one in custody, under red.
He's a good boy. You got that bad guy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah.
Chief Carmen Best later reviewed the incident and concluded that although the K9 team's actions aligned with 2018 training guidance, they did not meet SPD's use of force policy or the department's values. She ordered a comprehensive review of K9 practices. SPD then worked with the Office of Police Accountability, the Federal Court Monitor, the Office of Inspector General, and 2 independent K9 experts to craft new policies. Those changes were approved by the Court Monitor, the U.S. Department of Justice, and the Federal Court as reflected in SPD's July filing. Separately, the OIG continues auditing K9 operations. 2 quick K9 takedowns to close things out.
He's about to bail. Get him, bud! Get him, buddy! Get him, Shep! Hands out, motherfucker! Hands out now! Hands out! Hold him, bud, hold him! Don't put your f***ing hands out. Good boy. Hold him. Put your hands out now. Keep him out. Shep, out. Hey, Shep, out. Out.
Pasco County's K9 Shep turns a foot chase into a sprint and stop. A robbery suspect bolts, Shep is unleashed, and the pursuit ends almost immediately with a clean, controlled apprehension.
Where are they at? Mickey.
Yeah, he came this way. Then he started cutting behind the trailers. Cut down that road on Park Street to that street.
Hold up.
I didn't see him come out. Okay, where's your car at? Down there. Don't help them with the
Everybody watch my corners for me. Make sure people don't come out.
Marion County's K9 OTOW joins a search for a hiding suspect. Officers work the area while OTOW starts tracking.
Get out, Kevin! Come out now! Mickey! Off! Foy! Mickey! Off! Foy! Off! Mickey! Off!
Put your hands
Foy! Off! Foy! Off! Off! Let me back up. Mickey. Off. Kevin, you're under arrest, partner. To A. Tell him we need 51.
OTOW catches the scent and leads deputies straight to the spot, under a stairwell behind a dishwasher unit. The suspect tries to stay tucked away, but the dog finds him and officers move in for an easy custody. What do you think? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.